Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn how to generate a slide deck in Google NotebookLM. Slide decks allow us to transform our sources into a polished presentation that we can review, present, or share as a PDF. This feature is extremely useful for teaching, presentations, internal reviews, and knowledge sharing. Let's walk through this step by step, completely hands-on. Let's start inside an existing notebook that already contains sources. Now let's look at the Studio panel on the right side. From the available tools, you can see Slide Deck here. Before generating, let's click the pencil icon to customize the deck. This opens the customization panel where we can guide how the presentation is created. The first option is choose a format. Here we see two choices. The first is Detailed Deck. A detailed deck includes full text, explanations, and detailed slides. This is perfect for reading, emailing, or self-study. The second option is Presenter Slides. Presenter slides are clean, visual, and contain key talking points. They are ideal when we plan to speak and use the slides as visual support. For this demo, let's select Presenter Slides. Next, let's select the output language. By default, English is selected. NotebookLM also supports multiple languages, which is useful for global presentations. Now let's choose the length of the deck. We can select Short, Default. Short works well for quick overviews. For this demo, let's keep default length. Now let's move to the most important part, the prompt input. This is where we describe what kind of slide deck we want. For example, let's type something like create a beginner-friendly slide deck with a clean visual style, step-by-step structure, and clear explanations of the core concepts. This helps NotebookLM understand the audience, tone, and focus. Once everything looks good, let's click Generate. NotebookLM now starts analyzing our sources and building the presentation. The slide deck is generated in the background, so we can continue working in the notebook. It takes few minutes to generate the complete slide deck. When the deck is ready, it appears in the Studio panel with a title. Below the title, we can see how many sources were used. Let's click the title to open the slide deck viewer. Let's click it to enter full screen presentation mode. Look at the slide deck content. It looks amazing, and look at the visuals and key points. Inside the viewer, we can scroll to move between slides. We can zoom in and zoom out for better readability. At the top, we see options to share, download as, PDF, or expand the viewer. There is also a Start Slideshow option. Now we can navigate using arrow keys or mouse clicks. To exit slideshow mode, let's press Escape. You can download this slide deck in the PDF format. Click on this download icon over here. You can see the downloaded PDF file. Now let's how to manage multiple slide decks. Back in the Studio panel, let's click the three-dot menu next to the slide deck. From here, we can rename the deck, download it as a PDF, share it, or delete it. We can also select View Custom Prompt to see exactly how the deck was generated. Let's quickly understand the sharing options. We can share a direct link to the slide deck if public sharing is enabled. We can also share the entire notebook so others can access the deck from the Studio panel. Or we can download the deck as a PDF and share it manually. Let's remember one thing. Slide decks are AI generated. They may contain visual or factual inaccuracies. Always review the slides before sharing or presenting, especially for critical topics. Let's summarize what we learned in this lecture. We generated a slide deck from notebook sources. We customized format, language, length, and prompt. We viewed the deck, presented it in slideshow mode, downloaded it as PDF, and managed it from the Studio panel. This makes NotebookLM a powerful tool not just for research but also for presentations.